Hi there, I just got done watching the movie El Camino Christmas. It was put out in 2017. It's an hour and 29 minutes long. The cast is Jessica Alba, Tim Allen, and Dax Shepard. The synopsis of it is: stuck in a liquor store during an alleged robbery, a group of strangers share hidden truths and form an unexpected bond on Christmas Eve. I thought actually it was a pretty decent movie. It had a pretty good rhythm to it, and the speed of the movie was good. There really wasn't any super slow parts. There were a couple things in the movie that were a little bit predictable, but it seems like most movies are that way nowadays. But yeah, I think it was worth watching. Let me know if you've seen El Camino Christmas. I would recommend it for anyone who has not seen it yet. I don't think I'll watch it again. I mean, it's a good enough movie and stuff. It's just most movies I tend to not want to see more than one time. But I will put a link below. I'll pin a link in the comments to El Camino Christmas on Amazon if you're interested in renting it. But if you've seen it, let me know what you thought of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.